Have you prepped your little Joeys when they come out of the wash and before they go on baby? This simple trick is going to enhance your fit and increase your absorbency. Little Joeys might not be a pocket diaper, but it is important to do a little bit of prep work with them when they come out of the wash. We recommend that you snap them inside out like this when they're in the wash so that all those sewn-in layers of the all-in-one get clean. Now the insert's going to be kind of puffed up and crumpled, so take your thumb and run it down the center, stretch out the diaper, and smooth that insert out really well. Once the insert has been flattened, these diapers are now ready to be stored to use. Go ahead and snap down the Cord Care button if you're using it, otherwise you can leave it open. Then snap the wings around to the front, go ahead and close the diaper, and you've got a nice flat little diaper that's going to be ready to go on baby, and that insert will stay nice and flat on the inside, making sure that when you put it on baby, it's nice and smooth between their legs, which is important. That insert needs to be flat and spread out so that it can catch all of that wetness appropriately.